And then open the other. So excited. Excited siya. O, tingnan mo. Hindi pa nakarating yung papa. Pinambuksan na lahat. Ito, para sa akin. And then, what's yours? What's your toys?
Mini force.
Huh?
Check. Like this first.
And then?
Before it's like this.
You need to clean first before you play.
And then you can open here. This also.
Hmm.
And then this too. Here, like this.
And then?
Oops.
Open the other so we can throw all the cartons. See this one first. Open first. Hold. We need to fix. Faster. Hold this first. I think this is for my phone, right? Help me first. This one. Hold this first. Maybe this is for my phone. Not like this. Huh? Okay. Hold tight, hold tight.
Okay.
What's this? Okay, just open.
Guess the correct.
What's that? Wow! And then another one. Another one here.
Where?
This one. Open. Yeah.
It's the phone.
Is also the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Open here.
Oh, it's like a wallet. You open that one first. This one. Open the plastic. It's like a wallet. Wow, so big. Here. Open here. And then.
Oops.
Oh, it's your phone.
Is my phone this one, the white?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, this is your phone. This is the phone we buy. It's a white phone.
Oh, white phone.
Here, we press.
What's that number?
Hello, bye-bye.
See you next time. Another one. Open. This one. What's this? Adhesive? Hold tight. Okay.
Nobby. Ice for Mama.
What's this? And how about this? Something here. What's here?
I don't know.
Why is something fishy?
Hey, let's open this. It's for Mama.
It's a cat. You see, it's a cat. Okay, remove first.
No, this Mama's phone.
Okay.
Look.
So big.
This one
It's amoy.
is for where?
That's there.
Here?
No, here. Okay, later.
So I cannot press it.
Where's the another? This one. What's this? It's a food. No more? It's a big sack. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Sometimes it's fishy going on.
Huh?
What's this? What's your scissors?
Here's the fish for your cat.
Ah.
Okay, wait. Give me. Hold here.
Oh, already.
Huh? What's this? I cannot get.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Big choke one. Pull it tight.
What's it? Hold tight. Go. And then, ta-da! Huh? What's this?
I don't know. Let's see.
Huh? Oh, what's this? For your hair. Oh, enough. Okay, fix all. Oh, I'm still one. You see? Huh? I'm still one. Last one. Okay, open. Go.
Pull it tight.
Huh? Open. I think it's for my phone. For my phone again.
Hey, but still have one scissor.
No need, scissor. Oh, open. From here? From here. Huh? Ta-da! Hooray, yeah. Again for phone?
I thought you got another phone.
Yes, another phone. Open.
Hey,
Yeah.
phone inside.
You have still white phone. I have now two phone. Hooray, this is wallet. You see? I can put here. So nice. You see this one?
Sprinkle.
And then this one
I
here.
know you can put
And
this one
then-
here when you go to Pippin. You bring this.
Huh? Like that. Okay, two.
I have two phones.
And I have my shoes. Hooray. And then you?
This one.
What's this?
Mini force.
And what's the other? Oh.
One. This is red.
Mm-hmm.
This is blue.
Huh.
Pink.
Wow, so beautiful for me.
This is yellow.
Yellow. Okay, finish.
Goodbye.
Oh, we fix now. Goodbye, all through outside.
And we still have.
Which one? No more.
Is it so heavy?
No more. Okay.
So extra corner.